In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel Grok AI subscription. We'll walk through the process on the Grok website, and I'll show you what to do if you can't find the cancel option right away. Start by opening your browser and heading to Google. In the search bar, type Grok and press enter. In the results, click the official Grok website. This ensures you're in the right place and not on a third-party page that might not reflect the latest account features. Once you're on the site, look to the lower left corner of the screen for your profile or avatar. Click that to open your account menu. From there, choose Settings. This is typically where subscription controls live. Inside Settings, look for sections labeled Billing, Plan, Subscription, or Manage Subscription. You should see an option to cancel. When you find it, follow the prompts carefully. Pay attention to any notes about when your access ends and whether your plan will stay active until the current billing cycle finishes. If there's a confirmation step, make sure you complete it so the cancellation is applied. If you don't see a cancellation option in Settings, don't worry. Open a new tab and go to console.x.ai. On that site, locate the Help, Support, or Contact area. It should indicate that you can email the team to cancel your subscription. Copy the support email address you see there. Do not use any email addresses found elsewhere, and avoid sharing sensitive information. Open your email app or webmail and paste the address into the To field. In the subject line, you can write something clear like, Request to cancel my Grok AI subscription. In the message, keep it short and specific. For example, please cancel my subscription. To help them locate your account, include the email associated with your Grok account and any relevant subscription details you can see in your settings. Do not include passwords, full payment details, or any private keys. Finish by asking for written confirmation of the cancellation. Once you send the email, keep an eye on your inbox and spam folder for their reply. When you receive confirmation, I recommend returning to the Grok website and checking settings again to verify that your plan shows as canceled or set to end at the close of your current billing period. Keep the confirmation email for your records in case you need it later. That's it. Follow these steps and you'll have your Grok AI subscription canceled smoothly and with clear confirmation of the change.